Welcome, genius! Are you ready to play Funny Riddles at level 5? Let's begin. What kind of cup doesn't hold water?
That's funny!
Cupcake. What is it that leaps and runs and yet has no feet? A ball. If I have it, I don't share it. If I share it, I don't have it. What is it? A secret. What has one eye, but cannot see? A needle. What type of dress can never be worn? Address. What starts with a P, ends with an E, and has a million letters in it? Post office. I don't have eyes, but once I did see. Once I had thoughts, but now I'm white and empty.
That's funny!
Skull. What is it that no man wants, but no man wants to lose? A lawsuit. What is the end to which we all like to come?
Yahoo!
Did it end? I am something that floats, but after a period of time, I fall. A balloon. I have a thing, which I twine and it is covered. Weaving spool. I have 1,000 wheels, but move I do not. Call me what I am. Parking. What is put on a table, cut, but never eaten?
That's funny!
Cards. What always goes to bed with its shoes on? A horse. Lovely and round, I shine with pale light, grown in the darkness, a lady's delight.
Yahoo!
Pearl. What has a big mouth, yet never speaks? A jar. I have a pet. His body is full of coins. A piggy bank. Everyone has me, but nobody can lose me. What am I? A shadow. What is lengthened by being cut at both ends? A ditch. There is a kind of fish that can never swim. What is that?
That's funny!
Dead fish. How many questions did you answer correctly? Please type in the comment box. Please subscribe to our channel. See you in the next interesting game. Thanks, genius.